Dear viewers, are you tired of struggling financially while seeking greater happiness? Well, money itself does not buy happiness, often it creates more conflicts within. But understanding how money truly impacts our well-being can help us use it as a tool for living the life we desire. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel reveals how human nature shapes our financial behaviors in unexpected ways. As a New York Times bestseller with over 1 million copies sold, this book shares insights to help you understand your psychological blocks to wealth, like fear, anxiety, and biases. Improve money decisions by recognizing patterns in your thinking that lead to mistakes. Build a healthier relationship with money based on gratitude, generosity, and detachment from outcomes. Achieve inner peace with abundance by focusing less on acquiring wealth and more on serving others with your time and skills. Through startling stories and empirical research, Housel teaches us to see money not as the goal, but a means to live more fully and make the greatest positive impact. So, if you're ready to face your fears, blast through blocks and build prosperity from within, then The Psychology of Money offers a thoughtful yet practical blueprint for cultivating a wiser, more optimistic relationship with finances and life itself. Go now with my blessings. And remember, the true secret to prosperity lies within, in uncovering the wealth that's been inside you all along. Here are 7 top quotes from The Psychology of Money. Number 1. In a world driven by metrics, we have to be careful not to mistake activity for accomplishment. This reminds us to focus on the quality of our work, not just quantity. Number 2. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Finding ways to generate passive income is so important for long-term financial success and freedom. Number 3. People who succeed financially understand that thinking long-term means not just thinking long-term, it means thinking permanent. Making permanent decisions rather than temporary ones will lead to greater wealth over time. Number 4. Many people spend money to produce an experience rather than an asset. But experiences don't last, and they don't help in the future the way assets do. Prioritizing spend on assets rather than liabilities and experiences helps build more wealth over time. Number 5. Most people think saving means not spending. It's not. Saving means earning. True wealth is built by earning more, not just spending less. Focus should be on income improvement as much as expense reduction. Number 6. Bull markets make you money, bear markets make you rich. Having the courage and wisdom to invest when others are fearful sets you up to accumulate more assets at cheaper prices for the long haul. Number 7. Those who understand the impact of compound interest gain power over it, and gain from it, in a way that eludes others. Harnessing the power of compounding should be a top priority for long-term financial success over generations. 5 key lessons of the psychology of money. Number 1. Time is your most valuable asset, not money. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to compound. Time allows your money to do the work rather than you. Number 2. Small advantages matter more than you think. Even a 1% advantage in returns or costs over the long run leads to tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars of difference. Staying disciplined on fees and expenses can make a big impact. Number 3. Debt is sometimes good but can be dangerous if overused. Using debt judiciously for investments like real estate or starting a business can work to your advantage through leverage. But consumer debt for liabilities is risky and should generally be avoided. Number 4. Inflation is sneaky and will destroy your purchasing power over time. Even at moderate levels, inflation will cut your purchasing power dramatically in decades. Aim to earn returns well above inflation whenever possible through long-term investments. Number 5. Behavior is the biggest obstacle for investors. Letting emotions guide decisions invariably leads to poor outcomes. Having a plan and sticking to it through ups and downs minimizes costly mistakes due to fear and greed in the markets. And so, dear viewers, as we reflect on Morgan Housel's wise insights into the psychology of money, remember always: true wealth comes from within, found through cultivating a generous spirit, grateful heart, and detachment from the outcomes of worldly gains. Money itself is neutral, it's the meaning you project that loads it with emotional baggage. Release that baggage to claim your power over money, not the other way around. You already possess the genius and gifts within you to live your highest vision of abundance. All that remains is uncovering the wealth that has been within you all along. Now go forth with my blessings. May Housel's pointed yet humble lessons guide you to the fortune that lies within, where true prosperity is found. This has been What Books to Read. Until next time. Go now in peace, dear viewers. And remember, the wealth you seek lies within, awaiting only your decision to claim it as your own.